Alrighty, welcome to the challenge review. So in the previous video, I left you guys to figure out how to destroy the laser when it gets off your screen so that we can clean up our hierarchy. So if you were struggling with that, not to worry. I'm going to show you how you would have done it from scratch if you were struggling. So the first thing I need to do is let's look at how to check if my laser is greater than or equal to 6. If you look at the player, we've already done this previously by checking the position of our player on the Y, checking if it's greater than 0. So very similar. I would basically create my if statement. I would check if my transform.position, which is our laser, on the Y is greater than or equal to 6. And if it is, then what do I want to do? I need to destroy the laser. So how do I destroy an object? Well, that takes us to Google. How to destroy objects in Unity. And as you can see here, we get to the scripting API, destroy. So here's the function. So static void destroy, and removes a game object, component, or asset. The object will be destroyed now, or if a time is specified, seconds from now. And if we look at the example, it's this simple. We type the destroy keyword, so capital D destroy, open a parenthesis, and then we pass in a game object that we want to destroy. So we can type destroy, open a parenthesis, and pass in lowercase game object. That stands for this game object. Now you could even be more explicit, and you can actually say this.gameObject. And I highly recommend you do this, as this is saying that we're going to destroy the game object that this script is attached to. So if we go ahead and test this out, you'll notice that we can now go ahead and shoot our laser, and now it gets cleaned up in the hierarchy.